Hi guys, we are on the Keydrop day. We have 1k and we are gonna do some case battle today. Let's start with one. So click with case battle and create case battle. Add case. Let's choose your case. Oh, it's cute dogs. Okay, Fluffy. And I want all in battle. Ricky, Frankie, Chris. And maybe Jaina. Anders. Okay. Katana. Okay. Maybe serious. Okay. Serpent. Arrow. And last one. Nice. Can do this. Yes. Okay, it's so good, guys. Yes, start. I hope we can win this. Start it, bots. Oh, it's almost one. Okay, no problem. Let's start. I want Tom. Okay. Oh, what? What is it? Okay, no problem. I don't understand. Okay, let's watch the video, guys. Which case? Okay, Fluffy. Fluffy is pretty good. Okay. Ricky. What is it? Tom, please get a good something, please. Frank, it's your case. Oh, how much? Oh my god. Okay, no problem, no problem. Let's Chris, please pull me something. Okay, it's good. It's late. Okay. What? How is? Oh my god, Tom, fuck you. How much? Okay, still losing. Just $4, please. Yes, we are still losing. No problem. We have briefcase. Serpent arrow. Okay. It's good. It's good. It's good. Okay. Oh, what? It's bad. Okay. Serpent. Hmm. Okay, it's lead still. Still winning, but okay, okay, it's so good. Vintage, okay. Please, Vice. Last case, please. Please drop something, please. Oh my god. Okay, okay, it's so good. It's so good, guys. How much we win? Okay. 1.9k we won. Okay, let's tell this. Okay, well, we can select all one. Select. So, okay. Let's start one more. No, create case battle. Add case. And choose the web cases in there. Fox, ship knives, butterfly, pyramid, bloodshot. Oh, it's so huge. Vice, okay. No, we can't. Okay. All this. Start with team battle. Add funds. What? We don't have. How much is it? Oh my god. Okay, okay, no problem. Let's remove this web case and use this. Okay, start. Add boss. Okay, it's good. Please, please. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god, please, please, we need to win this, please. Oh my god, please, Keydrop, we need to win this, please. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? How much is this change, bro? Please. Okay, what? Okay, guys. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my god. What? How much? Oh my god. 5k 700. Okay, so good, guys. So good. Thank you for watching the video. We won 5k balance today. See you in the next video, guys.